Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to add face lock data in Tecno mobile and how to use password and biometric setting in Tecno mobile. In this video we will talk about one by one and step by step. So friends, you want to unlock your Tecno mobile with face lock. You want to add face data. How to add face data? Tap on your phone setting, tap on your mobile security setting. After turn phone security setting friends, you can see this type interface. So friends, in your Tecno mobile biometric setting you want to use, so you can use face unlock setting. You want to use, tap here face unlock setting. Please set your lock screen before set your face lock. First of all guys, you will have to select any lock screen password, pattern, pin and password. Then you can add face data in your Android mobile and in your Tecno mobile. Face lock plus pattern, face lock plus pin and face lock plus password. Face lock plus pin I will use next, and my password is 654321. Next, 654321. Remember your password. If you forget your password, you will have to reset your phone. Confirm. After confirm friends, click at done option. Show your face. Remove your mask, glasses and hat. You have wear any hat? Remove it. Next, show your face. After show face, face lock will add. Done option, tap here. Remove your recent app off your screen. Show your face, phone will unlock. If you enter your password, mobile will unlock. Don't enter your password friends, show your face, phone will unlock automatic. Friends, you can check when I will show my face in my Tecno mobile, phone will unlock automatic. So like that friends, you can add your face lock data, you can unlock your Tecno mobile with face lock. And friends, now after set up face lock, you want to add fingerprint lock. You want to use fingerprint lock setting in your Tecno mobile. So if you tap here, so you can add your fingerprint. Enter your password. My password 654321. Tap here add fingerprint lock. You can add fingerprint. You can unlock your mobile with fingerprint lock also. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.